Man, same as your boy Ryan, man. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about some of the features I like on my 2015 S550. The first feature I like is in the back seats. It's got the rear shades on both sides, and you can control it all from here. So watch this. You press this one once. Oh wait, I gotta turn on the car. Shit. All right, first feature is when you press this, it's got the rear shades, so you can control this side, and you can also control the other side, that side right there. So I'm gonna hit this, that's going down, and then you press the button again, the window goes down, and then same thing for that side. You can control it, go all the way back up, and then put the shade back up, and I'm pretty sure you could also access the sunroof. Yeah, it closes and opens it. That's pretty sick, right there. And you can control the rear shade, which is this one right here. So you press this, and then this goes down, and then you press that back up, and then it goes back up. All right, the next feature is, oh sure, I gotta put the window back up, is the air suspension. Right now it's in the sport mode, so it's a little bit lowered, but let me go start it up, and then I'll press the highest setting. You'll see it go up. All right, so this is the sport, or the suspension settings. This is for the engines. It's got sport, and the economy or something. Economic? Oh no. Eco mode. Oh, that's what it was. Alright, so right now it's in sport mode. If you raise it all the way up, it'll go hella high. Alright, so I'm gonna press it, and then I'm gonna run outside and show you. This is vehicle rising. And you'll see it going up. Alright, look at the gap. It's like way more than a hand. And right here as well. And then when you press it back to like this one, it goes back to comfort or sport, you'll see it lower. Yeah, look at the gap. Now it's like getting kind of tighter. And then same thing right here. Earlier you could put like the whole hand. Now it's like 3 fingers. Same thing for this side. My third favorite feature about this car, I think I mentioned it like a million times in my other videos, is the massaging seats. Press that button, massage comes up, and then you got 6 options. So right here, you got this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And then I think it goes on for like 10 minutes each time before you have to turn it back on. And then it just gives you a massage while you're driving. And another favorite feature of mine about the seats is around the corners and then around turns, the seats bolster you. So like each side, like right here, it inflates. It depends whether you're turning left or right. Each side inflates, so like it hugs you. So like I'll show you right now in the settings. I'm gonna turn it up all the way to like 10, and then you'll see like the difference on the seat, how it bolsters. You see how it's like closing, and versus when I go back down to like 0. But when I twist it back up to 10, you'll see how the seat like tightens up. You see it? All right, back to 0. And then back to 10. See how it's turning? It basically does that around the corners. It just hugs you on each side. Right now it's just on 0. Then when you turn it to 10, tightens up. When you turn it back down to 0, loosens up. And then my fourth favorite feature about this car involves the trunk. You can swing your foot underneath the trunk and it closes it. Oh shit. All right, so instead of pressing that button, you just kick your feet right here. Yeah, it's pretty sick. And the next favorite feature involves some of these options right here. Okay, so that's steering assist off, and this is lane keep assist off. So I don't know what the difference is. Lane keep assist on, and then steering assist on. And then, so I usually do that when I have like when I use the adaptive cruise control, like the Distronic Plus. When I have that on, I usually have these 2 on, and then the car basically drives itself just because it maintains the speed of like the vehicle in front, and then it basically stays in the lane as well. And then also my 6th favorite option about this car, or feature about this car, is like it's got its own fragrance inside here. I don't even know how it works or if it works, but this is it right here. It's like a Mercedes-Benz fragrance. It still has some inside. I don't know, it came with the car and it goes right in there. So I guess you just slap it on, and then it's like supposed to keep the car smelling nice. And my 7th favorite feature about this car, I mean, even my older S-Class, the 2012 one and my 2003 that I used to have, they all come with like the soft closing doors. So you like just do that, and the door closes itself. Let me do it again. All right. Yeah, and all the doors do it. And I think even the trunk. So like you just do that like that. All right. Yes, sir. And also, I like how you could just put your hand like right here, and it locks the car. So keyless entry. I know a lot of cars have it, but it's pretty sick. Good feature to have. Oh, also, I kind of like the 360 camera it has. Let me start up the car again. All right, press the button right there, and then the camera comes up. So you can see, I still don't know how it does like the bird's eye view. It's pretty crazy. All right, so it looks like, I guess that's the bird's eye view. That's the front. And you can also check like your rear by like moving this. Oh, I forgot how to do it. Also, some other things I like about this car is a blind spot monitoring thing. Like when you try to make a right or a left, it lights up right there in the corner and it tells you like, it just says look, there's other shit, there's a car. Like don't turn it. Also beeps. I know a lot of other cars have it as well, but it's pretty sick. Another thing I like about this car is the ambient lights. At night, you can see it like really well. Right now they're on, you could barely see it. It goes like all around the doors, behind the two screens right there, underneath here, and then even like underneath right there, back there, and even on the back doors. But I'll put a video of like the ambient lights at night, or like some pictures of it at night. Pretty sick. Looks like a movie in here. All right, I'm in the parking garage, but this is how the ambient light looks like. Pretty sick. And the back seats as well, right there. And you can change the colors from right here. Wait, where is it at? Yeah, you got this color right here, this one right here. Red, pink. This one's pretty sick. But yeah. And then also the sound system is really good. It's got the Burmeister sound system. This one doesn't have the upgraded one because I think like the upgraded one, like when you turn on the car, like it's a 3D system, so like it comes out. I don't know, but it's still really good. It sounds awesome at night, or just it just sounds awesome. But yeah, I think it's gonna wrap up this video. Let me know what else I should post. I think next video is gonna be like some of the things I don't like about this car. It's gonna be a hard video because I kind of like everything about this car except just some minor things. But that's the next video, and then let me know what else I should post. Like, comment, subscribe. All right, peace out. Also, I was gonna make a video of me installing my new digital plate called like the R plate, Reviver plate or something. It came in, I started doing the video, and then like I started installing it in the back. They only send you like one plate. I guess that makes sense, whatever. But they didn't let me like activate it for some reason, because I guess the title is not officially in my name yet since I just bought the car. I still have to mail the title to the DMV and I get the new one under my name. So there was an issue with that. So I ended up just returning the plate. I was like, yeah, fuck that shit. I'm not waiting another like 5 to 6 weeks. And I just spent this money on it. So I was like, I'm gonna just return it. So right now I have my regular plate. And then maybe when the title comes in under my name, I could just buy that plate again, the R plate. It looks pretty sick. I'll put some clips of that too. This is the unboxing of it. This is the first time opening it. Let's see what they got in here. Oh, yes, sir. You got this. Revive your ride. This is what the plate will look like. And this is the actual plate itself. Ship mode. Press front button to update image. All right, let's put this back down and then take off my old plate. All right, this is what it should look like.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on,